Good morning, dear friends. Hope all of you are doing fine. In India now it's peak summer, and you must have noticed I'm keeping my recipes very simple because you cannot digest the spicy food. In summer you should always have cool, comforting meals. So today's recipe also is from South Indian cuisine. It's a sabzi that's very mild in flavors. It's called beans poriyal. In fact, this poriyal can be made with any vegetables. Today we are making with beans, but you can make with cabbage, you can make with carrot, you can make with mixed vegetables. And this poriyal is served usually as a side dish, accompaniment with curd rice or sambar rice. So let's proceed to make beans poriyal.
Beans Poriyal, a quick and comforting side dish from the South Indian cuisine. Here are the ingredients. Beans 250 grams. You can take any variety of beans. I am using these broad beans. Cut them into small pieces. Then oil 2 tablespoons. Grated coconut 2 tablespoons. Roasted gram powder 1 or 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon. Red chilli powder 1/2 teaspoon. Salt as needed. Half a lemon. For tempering ingredients, we have taken mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, hing or Asafoetida 1/8 teaspoon, dry red chilli 1 broken into pieces, and then we have 1 sprig of curry leaves. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. You can check it out. Now boil water in a pan. Once it starts boiling, add salt as needed depending on the quantity of the beans, and then dip in the beans. We are going to boil it. Beans doesn't take long time to boil, just 3 to 4 minutes it should be done. Check the doneness, remove the scum. Now strain them. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the tempering ingredients, the mustard seeds, red chillies and Asafoetida. Reduce the flame and let them crackle. Cover the lid so that they don't pop out. Next, add the curry leaves. Give them a toss. Little bit of turmeric powder and chilli powder, as much as you like. Now dip in the boiled beans. Give them a nice stir so that everything is mixed together. We don't have to add any salt because we have added to the beans. Increase the flame and cook until the moisture is all dried up. This is a very quick sabzi. It hardly takes time. Now stir in the roasted gram powder. Give it a stir. It hardly takes time, it's almost done. Now squeeze out the lemon juice on top. Add the grated coconut. And it's done. Give it a nice mix. And it is ready to be served. This pairs very well as a side dish with curd rice, sambar rice. So friends, make and enjoy this delicious and healthy South Indian style beans poriyal. I'm sure you're going to love it. To see more such homely recipes, do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and check out these videos from the archives. You might like them too. Stay tuned.